What is going on, guys? Thanks for joining my channel, Robinhood. This is Bob. Today's video, guys, I'm going to go over the results of week one of my $50,000 option trades. So let's get started. Let me just do a quick recap on my strategy. For the most part, I do plan on selling puts only. I may do the wheel system if I do get assigned shares of the stock that I do want. But if you look at my list, I have about 20 stocks here listed, and they are very high risk stocks. So I don't recommend people to do this. I'm doing this because I feel comfortable with it, and I am prepared to take a loss if it does happen. And I hope in the long run overall that this strategy will work out for me. So I do have very high risk stocks here, but it does pay higher premiums than more stable stocks. The first option I did was just a small position, was on Microvision. I did end up losing a little bit on this. As you can see, I sold 2 contracts and got $6 per contract, which was $12. I believe this stock was sitting around $4.10 when I did this option. This thing dropped all the way down to $3.77 at one point. So I did end up just buying it back because I did have to free a little bit of money because I knew my other position, my bigger position, I would have to buy that back as well. So let's take a peek at that one. That one was Virgin Galactic. So this one here was all over the place today, so it did worry me a pretty good amount. The low, I believe, was $9.75, so I was at a point where I was down like $400 to $600 on my option at one point. When I hit this mark, I thought I was going to be in the green because it seemed like it was going to go back up. So around 2:30, when it hit around 9, because it kept on fluctuating, I didn't know which direction it was going to go. I did actually close this out as well. So as you can see, I did 50 contracts. I got a premium of $18 per contract, which paid me $900. And then I bought this back for $11 per contract, so I did pay $550 to close this one out. So overall, I made about $350 on this one. If you check my spreadsheet out here with the first one, like I said, I did 50 contracts, and I did this yesterday, so this is only 1 day profit. I'm trying to hit 1 to 3%, 3% being really greedy, but at least 1% a week. In people's eyes, that may not seem like a lot, but if you break it down little by little, if I'm consistent and actually get 1% a week, that's a 52% gain for the year. So if you can, whatever stocks you have, if you can make a 52% gain, I'm pretty sure you'd be very happy with that by the end of the year. So far on Virgin Galactic, I did make $350, and on my smaller one, the only reason I did this one just because I had a little bit extra money. I needed just a cheap stock to try to see if I can get anything extra, just feeling it out as well. I did end up losing $22 off of this, no big deal. So total week one, guys, I made $328. I did open up 2 more positions. I'll go over that with you guys on Sunday. Before I go, I do have a Webull account as well. It's my smaller portfolio. I put about $10,000 in this portfolio. I'm not sure if you guys are interested in this type of strategy I'm doing. This one I'm actually betting against the market. I'm picking triple leverage stocks. So if the S&P goes up or down, this will go up or down as well. So I'm actually betting against the market. I've done this for this year, and I've actually made a pretty good amount of money. I've made more money than I made on this other so far what I'm doing on here. So overall, year to date, I'm up $2,664.94. So that's about 25% I'm up. And as you can see here, this just gives you the stocks that I'm actually up on. The only one I'm down is $21 was TQQQ, which is a bullish stock. So I lost on the only one that I picked that wasn't against the market, but it was only $21. But so far, this has been doing pretty good. I've actually just been buying the shares, and I've been selling calls on this just recently. So I do have a call at a $12.50 strike price. It did pay me $67 each contract, so I did get a premium of $603 for this one. So I don't mind selling this. I don't have a problem. I think this will float in between $10 to $15. So I picked a pretty close strike price. This stock here was up, I think 13, low 13s today. So it did fall pretty dramatically. I did have a covered call at 1250 as well. So just let me know if you guys are interested on the reverse leverage stocks. Like I said, this is just betting against the stock on here. So if you're interested in this, I'll make videos on this as well. But just let me know in the comments. So that will be all for today, guys. So like I said, up $328 basically in one day, because I sold this option on Thursday and today is Friday. So $328, and I did open two other positions. Only reason I did that is because I know Monday is a holiday, won't be open. So I kind of wanted to just get a full week and maximum premium. But I'll go over the two other stocks that I picked on Sunday. Thank you guys for watching. Definitely hit the like and don't forget to subscribe below. Thank you.